Hello guys, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the updates. Today in this video I am going to review the all new 2021 Hyundai Venue SX IMT Sports variant. So before going to the video, I would like to give credit to the showroom for allowing me to shoot this video. So this is the all new Hyundai Venue 2021 SX IMT Sports variant with the red inserts. So Venue comes with a 3 engine options, 1.2 liter Kappa petrol engine which makes the maximum power of 83 PS at 6000 rpm and mounted to the 5-speed manual gearbox, 1 liter Kappa turbo GDI petrol engine which makes the maximum power of 120 PS at 6000 rpm. So this engine has 3 transmission options, 6-speed manual, intelligent manual transmission and a 7-speed DCT. So last engine option is the 1.5 U2 CRDI diesel engine which makes the maximum power of 100 PS at the 4000 rpm and mounted to the 6-speed manual gearbox. So Venue comes with a warranty of 3 years or unlimited kilometers, whichever is earlier. So now the headlight and the indicator is a separate unit. You can see the top one is the indicator, the below one is the projector setup headlight with the cornering light and the LED DRL. You can see the red insert on the front bumper. So this is the projector headlight and the indicator setup. So coming to the wheel size, you're getting the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. You can see the red insert on the brake pad also there. So this is how the Venue looks from the side angle. So the safety features of this Hyundai Venue SX IMT variant are: so driver and passenger side airbag, ABS with the EBD, then reverse parking sensors with the camera with the guidelines on the display, and projector fog lamps, day-night mirror, then automatic headlamps, headlamp escort function, impact sensing auto door unlock, then central locking, impact sensing auto door unlock, then foldable key, then rear defogger with the timer, seat belt reminder for the driver and passenger, height speed alert, seat belt pretensioners for driver and passenger seats, immobilizer, ISOFIX. So these are the safety features of this Hyundai Venue SX IMT Sports trim. So this is how the SX Sports with the red inserts looks from the side angle. So this is the tail light, which is a combination of the brake light indicator. You can see. So you can see the SX badging there and 2 parking sensors on the rear bumper. You can see the Venue badge on the trunk, the turbo badge. So on the bumper you are getting the reverse parking lights. So it's a tail light with the turn indicator. Shark fin antenna on the roof. So this is the dual tone. High mounted stop lamp, you can see. So this is the rear defogger. I'm showing it to you on the rear windshield. So the Venue badge on the trunk and the SX badge you can see there. The turbo badge also. So 16-inch diamond cut all 4 wheels. You can see the red inserts. So this is the electric adjustable and foldable ORVM with the turn indicator, black color ORVMs on both sides. So coming to the interior, so the tone treatment is a single color treatment. You can see this is the black color with the red stitching. So you can see the electrically adjustable and foldable mirror controls. All 4 power window buttons there. So 1 liter bottle holder on all 4 doors. So this is how the cabin looks from the outside. Venue SX IMT variant. So we can see the pedals there, accelerator and the brake pedal. So driver side height adjustable seat with the reclining function. So this is the instrument cluster of the Hyundai Venue SX IMT variant. Supervision cluster they call it. So which has features like IC light adjustment, so trip meter, then the average fuel economy, gear shift indicator, this is the IMT variant, then average fuel economy. So all those meters you are getting on the supervision cluster there. You can also do some settings by clicking on the steering mounted controls. So the steering mounted control include controls for the audio, then Bluetooth call controls, then voice recognition via Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. So this is the infotainment system, 20 cm touchscreen infotainment system with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice recognition, front and rear speakers, front tweeters, Bluetooth connectivity for the calls and audio, then Archimist sound mode, steering with audio and Bluetooth controls, then Hyundai iBlue. So this is the day-night IRVM. So this is not the auto-dimming mirror. So a simple manual mirror. Front cabin lights you can see. So this IMT variant also has sunroof. You can see. I'm opening the sunroof. So passenger side sun visor with the vanity mirror. Then driver side sun visor with no vanity mirror. So foldable grab handles except for the driver side. So this is the mic for the Bluetooth calls. So this is how the dashboard looks from the wide angle view. You can see the red inserts all over the dashboard and then the seats also. So below the infotainment system you have some physical buttons there for controlling the media and some settings button. So below that you have one touch automatic climate control system. With the front and the rear defogger also. So below that you have 12 volts charging socket and one fast charging USB and one USB for the infotainment system. So this is a 6-speed IMT variant. So you just need to shift the gear. No need to, there is no clutch pedal itself. So that's why they call it intelligent manual transmission. In the center console you can see you're getting the two different sized cup holder. So this is the parking brake with the black tip and front seat armrest. Underneath there is some space. So some space on the driver side, passenger side dashboard. So this is the glove box with the cooling function. So all four doors have single black color treatment with the red stitchings. So this is the supervision cluster light adjustment button and the headlight leveler. So coming to the rear cabin, you can see rear doors also have single black color treatment with the red stitchings and some leather inserts. So all four doors has 1 liter bottle holders also. You can see the power window switch there. So coming inside the rear cabin, so these are the rear AC vents. So below that you have 12 volts charging socket for the rear passengers, height adjustable front seat headrests, and height adjustable rear seat headrests also. So this is how the front cabin looks. The dashboard looks from the rear seat. And you can see the collapsible grab handles except for the driver side. So rear cabin light. So friends, I hope this video is helpful for you if you are planning to purchase the Hyundai Venue 2021 SX IMT Sports variant with the red inserts and the dual tone roof also. So subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the updates. Thank you.